Menteri Kakuat Kekia Ujim Sangma ulaong bakan omdon shuh kano ka jing pynjynsur hakabayadai batki kyndon pyrkhing halor ka jing pangklam COVID. Ya menta ngimdon shuh kano ka jing perkhat banang pynjynsur shuh ya ki jing pyrkhing bat ka jing pynjynsur ka ba menta kalong namar ka jing hiar jung ki breu ki bayo pang ong Ujim Sangma habakli la ka sorkar kan pynjynsur no nem ya ki jing pyrkhing halor ka jing pangklam COVID khat khandai. Menteri udon ka jing kermen baki beriau ki bayo pang kin kham dunano khnang ba on poino ka jinglong jingman kumbajulong baro shikata.
As we can see that the cases are very much under control, and we have seen that we have relaxed certain norms at the entry points. So we are hopeful that the cases will slowly normalize, and we'll be able to come back to normalcy without any more further spikes. We're hoping.
So that means more relaxation are on the cards if cases drops down.
Right now, we're not thinking of that. Right now, whatever relaxations we have given are in view of the fact that the number of cases are coming down. Yes. Khubor, being a senior leader, is entitled to, as a leader of the opposition, entitled to his opinion. But here we have to look at the way that the number of cases are going down. This is also because of COVID appropriate behavior that people have maintained. It's also because of the fact that our health professionals have been very active, and they've been doing their job very well. So I think Dr. Mukul is entitled to his opinion, but I don't think that he should criticize the way our health workers are working, the way our doctors are sacrificing. I think that's very unfair on Dr. Mukul to say such things against the medical professionals who are being so sacrificing and working so hard. The Shillong and the Tura Medical College are both being reviewed on a very regular basis, and we as a government we are very keen that both should see the light of day. There have been a lot of issues with both these, but Tura Medical College, there are a lot of problems in terms of for the builders, the contractors to get their materials to the building site. So we are trying to resolve that. These problems are something that we feel that we will be able to resolve very soon. And in terms of the date for completion, that because of COVID, they have not been able to meet that deadline, and that is why we have taken a call to extend the deadline for them, considering that COVID has had an impact on many sectors, including the construction sector. In terms of the Shillong Medical College also, there are many problems that are there related to the coming up of the college. But we are taking every step possible to make sure that everything is reviewed and we come to a conclusive decision on this.
So by how much is the extension given, sir? Time frame?
1 year, if I'm not wrong.
1 year extension.